clicking around company websites trying to find the founder, CEO, or other key decision makers. This agent is going to save you a ton of time. In this video, you'll see an AI workflow that scrapes any website you give it and automatically returns a clean table of the top decision makers and their roles. Let's walk through this step by step so you can understand exactly how it works and how to build something similar for your own prospecting or research workflows. The workflow starts with a user input block where the user drops in the URL of the website they want to analyze. This block simply asks for the URL and stores it in a variable that the rest of the workflow can use. By saving this URL into a variable, every other block in the agent can reference that same value without the user having to paste it multiple times. Next, there is a scrape URL block that takes that user-provided URL and scrapes the main site. The extracted text from that page is saved into another variable, which becomes the raw material for the AI analysis. This gives the agent a complete snapshot of the main page content, so it can understand what the company is about and where it might find information about leadership or ownership. Then, a generate text block uses AI to read through that scraped content and identify up to 3 of the most promising sub-page URLs. These are pages that are likely to contain information about company owners, founders, executives, or key decision makers. Those sub-URLs are then saved into another variable so the workflow can loop through them and scrape each one individually. For the subpages, the workflow uses additional scrape URL blocks. Each block takes one of the AI selected sub-URLs, scrapes that page, and saves the extracted text into its own variable. By keeping the scraped results from each page in separate variables, the agent can later trace exactly which person was found on which page, like an About page, Team page, or Leadership page. Once all the content has been scraped, another generate block takes over and analyzes everything. It looks across the main page and all the subpages to identify key decision makers. For each person it finds, it extracts their name, title, or position, or brief description of their role and responsibilities, the specific page where that information was found, and even a confidence score that this person is actually a decision maker. All of that structured data is then stored in a single variable. Finally, there is one more generate text block that focuses purely on formatting. It takes the structured data from the previous step and turns it into a clean, nicely formatted table. This table can then be copied directly or downloaded, making it easy to drop into a CRM, spreadsheet, or email outreach list without any manual cleanup. So that's how this agent can go from a single URL to a fully structured list of owners, founders, and executives in just a few steps. If you want more breakdowns of AI agents that automate real business workflows like this, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want to build next. You can adapt this exact pattern to find investors, advisors, or even content authors on any website. The core idea is the same: scrape, analyze with AI, and format into something you can actually use.